so ballsy, you're so like, you know what, I'm here, I deserve to be here, and you just went for it, that was amazing, well done sweetheart. Zoe.
I think we got a little powerhouse to the making, definitely. That was really, really powerful, and considering you're only 12 as well, that's amazing. Your range was very, very impressive. You were reaching all the higher notes, you were reaching all the lower notes. It was very good. And your control as well was amazing. Like, you held the notes as well. Even the lower ones, you held them really well. The only thing I can say is just make more eye contact so we can like connect with you more on like an emotional level, and like when it's a beaty track like that, just move a little bit. I can't dance, I got 2 left feet, but just move a little bit and just, do you know what I mean? But well done, it was amazing.
And so, with the dancing stuff, I don't do that, right? We just music. Kelly.
Yeah, that lower note that you hit was really lovely. It's unusual, isn't it, for like girls your age to be able to get down that low and that controlled. Usually that comes a little bit later on. But there is a lot of power in your voice, a lot. And I think this process can help you, especially with your breath control. I think because you've got so much power and you're pushing it out, and I think if we teach you how to breathe properly, you'll be able to control that power a lot better. And also with your placement a little bit, because it can be a little bit nasally, but that'll come the more that you do, and the more, like, we have challenges, so we'll challenge you, and it'll I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. I need to go to bed.
Yeah,
I need to go home, go to bed.
Yeah.
What Joey said, that's what I'm trying to say, so I'm going to pass the mic to him now before I say anything else.
Thanks, Kel. Joey.
Jess, again, this was like a last minute audition for you, this was. And again, like when you came into the studio last week, it was a case of just picking a song that's just going to get you through this audition and showcase what you can do. And I truly believe that song did it. And actually, you actually surprised me because you looked less nervous than what I thought I was going to see today. You actually done well. I mean, the song was up-tempo, so things like how you present yourself in movement and stuff, that is something you'll pick up, you know, with like a up-tempo week and things like that. But like I said to you the other day, you know, all you got to do is don't hold back. Whatever challenges you face, don't say, oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. Say, I'm going to do it. I am going to do it. I think you've done exceptionally well for an audition then. You showed off your range, them top notes were bang on. Again, like being quite tense in this place, that can kind of lose the control of them a little bit and the movement of where they need to be. But we just need you to, your body to relax now, you know. So maybe, like, obviously if you're through to the next part, maybe like do something that's more stripped back so we can hear off that side of you at first, and then we'll start working on things that are up tempo, that we can work on your performance and that. Because obviously if we do a slower one, you can just stand there then, and it's going to make you naturally get more comfortable up there. But other than that, you should be really proud of yourself. 12 years of age, you just belted the hell out of that song, but there, and you done super well. I actually thought it was better than what I heard in the studio, so you definitely done really well. Well done.
Thank you.